Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. So last year when my freshman year finished, I filmed a very similar video. Just kinder, I gave advice and 7 things I learned in my freshman year. So these are 7 things I learned in my sophomore year. So number 1, I feel like this is the most important point because इसकी वजह से मेरा Zambil, which is the place where you do your enrollment, which is the place जहाँ आपके grades वगैरह आते हैं, ब्लॉक हो गया था. So take your advisor meeting. What I mean by this is that हमारे टाइम पे advisor meeting वाला concept ज़्यादा strict हो गया था in the sense कि if you didn't take your advisor meeting or if you took it late तो आपका Zambil block हो गया था. So my Zambil was blocked during enrollment, so I wasn't able to enroll in any course. So yes, take your advisor meeting. Even if it's like for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just take it. Point number 2, apply for a deputy during OV. So basically, LUMS के अंदर OV का scene होता है, and when in soft year you can apply for deputy. You can also apply for a coach, but relatively there's a higher chance for you to become a deputy. And becoming a deputy is so fun. So even if you don't have any friends, still apply for deputy. You will make friends. Even though it's a lot of like khawari ka kaam and everything, you have a lot of work to do, but it's very fun. So I would definitely recommend to apply for deputy because in a way you're reliving your own OV. So that's really fun. Okay, so my next point is a bit controversial, but it is very true. You will only get promoted, or most of the time you will only get promoted in societies if you have connections. I'm not saying all societies are bad, I'm just saying that you need to make connections in societies. So in my last video, I talked about how you should join most societies, how you should interact with a lot of individuals in the societies. So usi connections ko leke, most probably you will get promoted. If you know most people in your society, if you know the EC in the society, you will probably get promoted. So this is a thing that's in LUMS. It might get toxic for some people. बिकॉज वो हो जाता है कि किसी बंदे ने काम ज़्यादा किया होता है, किसी बंदे के कनेक्शन ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे प्रेफर द पीपल जिनके कनेक्शन ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो येस, मेक अ लॉट ऑफ कनेक्शंस इन सोसाइटीज. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एंड दिस हैज़ गॉटन मी थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज. बी ऑन योर प्रोफेसर्स गुड साइड. टॉक टू योर प्रोफेसर, क्लासेस के बाद उनकी तारीफ कर दो एक दो. If your professors know you exist, even if you're not on their good side, if they know that you exist, that helps you a lot when it comes to CP, grading, or in general quiz या final वगैरह के mark. Just try to do a lot of CP in class. Next point, go on a trip during summers. All of these points are very diverse. So I'm also tackling like the pahai part and also the fun part. So don't waste your summer doing internships. Go on a trip because freshman year में you have that kind of flexibility कि आप trips वगैरह पे जा सकते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ. तो go on maximum number of trips. Maximum नहीं, खैर 1-2 पे चले जाओ because वहाँ socializing भी होती है, दोस्त भी बनते हैं and in general fun भी होता है. Next point, focus on your GPA. आपके freshman year में essentially जो आपका GPA आता है ना, वो ही GPA होता है जिससे you will graduate. This is something that I've learned. यहाँ थोड़े लोग हैं जिनका 0.8 आया था freshman year में, तो they should get the hint. Junior और senior year में जाके इतना नहीं पड़ता GPA. Even if you get A's, even if you get like A minuses, नहीं पड़ता. Because essentially junior senior में जाके you get to maintain it. शुरू में जाके you get to keep it high. Last and final point. Don't judge me. Go out with your friends and have fun. Say yes to the last minute plan. Don't think, oh, meri padhai is getting compromised or anything. Because genuinely the time you'll get in university, वो वापस नहीं आएगा. And have fun with your friends ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Maybe this way hangouts में जाके you get to interact with more people, which is very essential for like corporate life as well, future career as well. So yes, have fun and enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for the video. These are things that I learned in my sophomore year. They are open to interpretation. या हर किसी के different experiences होते हैं, but these are my experiences. And I hope आप लोगों ने कुछ सीखा हो. जिंदगी ऐसी जी तो चाहे जिंदगी.